So today's been a sucky day. I hate being a Debbie Downer, but I have been for the past 2 days. And it sucks. I'm so sick and tired of all this crap that's going on right now in my life. And I just wish that I had someone I could talk to. But I don't. So it's sucking. Maybe my cowboy will help. Cowboy hat. I mean, when I say cowboy. Not helping. Thank goodness I go home tomorrow.
Everything about you is unique, including your not going in.